Welcome to Craniosacral Therapy at the Get Well Center in Scottsdale. My name is Dr. John Bolte. I'm a holistic doctor that's performed craniosacral therapy for over 19 years. Craniosacral therapy is a Qigong harmonizing technique performed by placing hands on the cranium or head and the sacrum of the spine to treat your health concerns. Your cranium is made up of 22 bones that protect the central command center of the body, the brain. It also protects and promotes flow of cerebral spinal fluid within the meninges to nourish the brain. Your brain consists of 8 different lobes, each having a unique role in the control of many different functions throughout the body, in addition to your mental and emotional state. Connecting these 22 bones are fibrous sutures that allow for subtle movement between the bones. When a distortion of alignment occurs between these bony sutures, say from head trauma or other excessive stress factors, it can result in disharmony of the brain's signal to and from the body. Hence, fatigue, brain fog, headaches, body tension, neck and back pain, anxieties, and other health disorders can ensue. Balancing the body's energy flow through alignment of many bones of the head to the sacrum can result and restore your mental, emotional, and physical well-being for a vibrant you.
Lầu脊治療咧，實質係醫邊度同醫啲乜嘢嘅咧？
我哋首先知道幾個重要嘅資訊先。第一就係顱骨，其實就係骷髏頭個顱，我哋所謂頭顱骨。脊就脊骨啦。顱脊嘅意思其實咧，我哋有樣嘢要留意咧，就係所謂呢啲腦筍。我哋成日細個講咧，腦筍未生埋咧，其實我哋知道而家嘅醫學知道咧，原來我哋嘅腦筍骨到我哋入土為安，其實都未生埋過嘅。原來呢啲腦筍骨、呢啲腦縫嘅活動咧，原來可以開合咁樣活動嘅。咁我哋面頭冚住嘅咧就係一啲叫筋膜。咁啲筋膜其實覆蓋咗全個身體，包括頭顱骨啦、腦裏邊嘅腦膜啦，包括我哋脊椎神經根嘅脊膜啦，我哋臟腑肌肉，我哋全身其實98%嘅組織臟腑其實都係俾呢啲筋膜一覆過咁樣覆蓋住嘅。而呢啲筋膜咧，將會同呢啲腦筍骨嘅活動係有個叫 synchronize 協調同步嘅一個咁嘅 pattern 嘅活動嘅。咁其實我哋就係感應呢一啲筋膜嘅活動，係幫佢調適翻嗰個順暢度，從而幫佢改善翻身體健康。咁我哋有個經常講嘅答案咧，就係我哋唔係針對特別任何嘅一種病，我哋乜嘢病都醫唔到，但係我哋對任何關於健康身體嘅問題咧都有幫助。
咁喺你嘅經驗當中咧，做呢類即係顱脊治療，最快見到效果會係即係佢有咩感覺咧？或者做完之後會幫到啲乜嘢咧？
頭先我講，因為我哋唔係針對個別嘅身體嘅問題，咁我哋一般都係偏向講叫處理一啲叫慢性或者叫做亞健康嘅問題。咁我哋純粹睇嗰個治療嘅過程咧，就唔係睇嗰個治療嘅健康嘅目的。係睇佢治療時間嘅反應，因為我哋都有一啲針灸嘅理論原則咧擺咗落去。我哋做針灸其實就係透過支針喺我哋穴位上面做一啲嘅調針，產生一個叫得氣嘅反應。能夠得到氣咧，嗰個穴位嘅功能咧就可以改善㗎啦。
就暢通啦。
冇錯啦。咁我哋其實做緊個治療過程，頭先我哋講啦，都係感應緊個筋膜嘅活動。我哋集中睇住嘅咧，就係睇佢嗰個叫做一個叫釋放嘅反應。咁我哋有個學術嘅名稱咧，叫做excuse me 治癒本能嘅一個釋放反應。咁有兩種釋放反應比較臨床上面比較特別見效嘅咧，第一個叫脈浪圖，即係話我哋掂住佢嘅一啲身體嘅部分，佢慢慢產生一個脈搏跳動嘅反應。咁呢個係一個良性，我哋講即係血液循環嘅反應。第二個咧，我哋叫做一個叫做醉夢嘅反應，英文我哋叫做 holistic 嘅 relaxation。咁佢呢個人嘅狀態咧，就好似係半夢半醒，咁我哋叫做醉夢。咁有啲少似呢個催眠嘅狀態嘅。咁喺個過程咧，佢自己就會有個醒悟，有個得着，關於佢身體健康嘅問題。咁呢個我諗我用另一個例子去少少介紹下，即係嗰個作用嘅。如果我哋咁樣順暢嘅開合，但係因為我哋講，譬如細個冚親個頭， 如果有一粒芝麻咁大嘅淤血棘住咗一個咁樣嘅腦筍嘅位置，其實嗰個開合咧就咁樣棘住咗。咁兩塊其中嘅板塊棘住，其實成個頭顱骨就22嚿骨頭，就好似扭計式咁咧，就會歪晒㗎。咁但係我哋如果透過咁樣嘅處理，我用頭先個例子啦，透過將嗰粒芝麻能夠釋放佢，咁嗰粒芝麻溶咗，我哋好似啲黑頭啊，話而家溶黑頭咁樣啦，溶咗粒芝麻嘅一個淤血嘅阻塞，佢個腦筍呢個活動嘅位就可以正常個開合就能夠做得翻。咁佢呢個叫重整啦。咁呢個重整就令到佢嗰個健康嗰個成個 facilitation 咧去改善。咁就係一個自己嘅免疫系統嘅改善，自己嘅一個健康嘅機制，就唔係我哋去用我哋嘅主導去幫佢去處理佢嘅問題。
就係釋放佢裡面嗰粒芝麻。
Exactly 啦，我哋要釋放佢嗰個能量，我哋話即係 energy 嘅一個 release 咁樣係啦。
係咁係咩年紀嘅人適合做腦脊治療咧？係咪咩歲數都得嘅咧？
Hi, I'm Tad Wanbeer. I specialize in craniosacral therapy. I'm often asked two questions. What is craniosacral therapy and how does it work? What is craniosacral therapy? Craniosacral therapy is a light touch manual therapy that focuses on improving the structure of the body, in particular the central nervous system, so that the body as a whole can work at its highest level. How does craniosacral therapy work? We can think of the body as an interrelated and interwoven biological fabric, so that if any part of the fabric is twisted, pulled, imbalanced, it will affect the entire body in some way. Here's a drawing of the body. We'll dissolve the front part of the body, and now we'll see the body as though it is fabric. Let's see what happens when a portion of the fabric is twisted. Notice that the twist affects the local area, but it also twists the entire fabric in some degree. Now we'll look more closely at the central nervous system. The central nervous system is surrounded by the craniosacral system. We'll see the body again. The body fades, and we see the skull, the spinal column, the sacrum, and the coccyx. We'll now fade those, and within those bony structures is the craniosacral system, which we're looking at now. Now we'll fade the craniosacral system, and we'll see that it houses the brain and the spinal cord. Everything we feel, think, remember, or do is processed through biological structures. When a structure is overly strained, then its ability to do its work efficiently and fully is often compromised. This can lead to ill health. As an example, let's look at an enlarged section of the body showing some of the structures as an interconnected biological network. Notice the shoulder stress that has taken place. This can lead to conditions such as difficulty breathing, frozen shoulder, bursitis, tingling or weakness in the hand or arm. There is also a distortion of the craniosacral system surrounding the spinal cord. This can cause stress to the nerve roots and spinal cord tissue that can lead to difficulties such as chronic pain, lung congestion, or difficulty swallowing. As the pattern progresses, it's affecting more of the spinal cord, perhaps causing trouble speaking or moving the tongue, temporomandibular joint syndrome, ear congestion, or ringing in the ear. The craniosacral system encasing the lower part of the brain is also affected. This can lead to conditions such as difficulty moving, migraine headache, chronic stress or fatigue, or constipation. Now more of the brain is affected. That can cause issues like difficulty seeing, concentrating or planning, poor memory, or hypersensitivity to sound, touch, smell, sight, textures, or temperature. The focus of craniosacral therapy is to use light, gentle methods to help the body lessen structural strain so that our biological network can work at peak levels. This helps to improve our ability to heal and function fully at our optimal level. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. If you have any questions, please visit my website at carycentercst.com. Thank you.
某天清早一覺醒來，完全沒法捉緊，美夢太多，難解。每天這夢常常纏着我，問我願甘心給他折磨。每當午夜一個痴呆呆這望鏡，感觸眼淚滿腔。難得你甘願在旁，從來無後往，伴我在每晚聽着我歌。放眼於天邊海闊渴望，有朝一早烏托邦，曾遇挫折過往的辛酸熱淡薄，尋覓自由夢一個，誰來熱情伴我闖？翩翩紛飛風雨中，你共我。Thank you。多謝。Thank you。試想今天一個英雄全無用武，委屈確實太多，難做困於窄巷前途無力錯，但我未放棄照亮遠方。放眼於天邊海闊渴望，有朝一早烏托邦，曾遇挫折過往的辛酸已淡忘，尋覓自由夢一個，誰來熱情伴我闖？翩翩紛飛風雨中，你共我。放眼於天邊海闊渴望，有朝一早烏托邦，曾遇挫折過往的辛酸已淡忘，尋覓自由夢一個，誰來熱情伴我闖？翩翩紛飛風雨中，你共我。自由夢一個，誰來熱情伴我闖？翩翩紛飛風雨中，你共我。人生繼續璀璨光華，再度重燃火花。